Step by step, class 4, page number 6. Pencil shading. Make a composition with any two objects from the given example. Draw the source of the light and shade the pictures accordingly. Let us choose two objects from this. I want to choose this one and this one, first one and fourth one. To make a composition, let's give some placement like a front and back. So I want this object behind this object. So first I want to draw this one. Starting with this shape here, slanting line, more slanting line, a curve here, draw a slanting line over here, draw a slanting line this side, and join it with a curve. Let's draw this one. Inside you start, just change the cross section here and go outside and draw the line. I would like to place this object in front of this one, so I'm going to draw it by overlapping. Draw this front face. The front face, and let's draw the top face and the side face. This top face, a slanting line parallel to this, and one more slanting line here and join here. I just did this two objects just by overlapping, and I maintained the difference here. See, you can see here the front object always appears a little bit down. The object which is behind the front one have to show the object a little bit above than this base here. This much difference I'm showing here. So let's place some light source here. I'm imagining the light source from this side here. So the light source from here directly falls on the object and will form a shadow at this side. So from this corner as well as this corner, if it is thin, and then we have to decrease the size like a thin, just drawing this object in a slanting direction. So let's draw this object, and right from this corner, the height of this object is shorter than this, right? So I'm going to draw it a little bit shorter here. As it's a slanting, you can draw a slipping line here, because this one we are drawing in a slanting direction, and this side here. Let's create some base line, ground line. We have to erase the overlapped part inside the first one here. So this one I am erasing. Before going to shade, let's come to know few things. The light is directly falling on this object here, and it's reaching here, this part till here. As it's a cylindrical thing, it may reach till here, and then this light is directly falling on this. So opposite faces will be dark in shade, and as it is a cylindrical object, so this side it will be more dark, and when we are coming towards this side it will be light. Here I have shading pencils like different grades, like alternate numbers 8B and 6B, and then this is 4B and this is 2B. I'm going to take this 6B or 8B you can use. I would like to take 6B here. As I said, you to make it dark this side, let us turn this one. So light completely won't fall on this side here, so I'm coloring it. I'm shading it dark here. Here it is dark. I'm using undercomb method, holding the pencil like this, like how you hold a knife. It's called the undercomb position. I'm shading here darkly, opposite side of the light source. So when I come this side, I'm making it light. I make it too light here. As these both parts are covering here like a very close together here, so this part will be very dark in shade. The same direction like this. When things are very close, there will be dark shade, like where both the objects are nearby. Like I show you my fingers here. See, this part is bright here, but whereas this part like here, so this is very dark in shade because the light won't reach these parts. So like this, two objects are very nearby, so this part will be like a bit dark, this and light is falling this way, so we get like a shadow here this side on this object. That's why I did it like little dark here. Let's come to this object. It's completely opposite face to the light source, so I made it a bit dark here. You can use underpunctuation like this, so it will be easy to shade. Near the lines, I carefully, slowly I shade this one. These lines to be done very lightly, just to show the edges. This will be dark here till half, then slowly make it light towards the side, towards light source. Now light source will fall here, this will be light in shade, and then this face will be dark in, it's the opposite face inside the halo shape. Shade the shadow. Near the object, the shadow will be very dark. Around it, it's a curve, so I am doing a curve here. Let's do for this object. Slanting line of this one here to show the corner here clearly. Coloring be dark near the objects, like where the base is touching to the surface, there we get a darker shade. So here I am finding that the tone is different here. I'm going to mix this. Let's draw the ground line clearly. Let's add some shading like underneath the ground line. That's it from page number 6. Let's sign off. Thank you.